Welcome to Social Work in Lecture on what is social casework. Have you ever found yourself wondering, or perhaps even asking your teachers, what exactly does social casework mean? Don't worry, you're not alone. Understanding this cornerstone of social work can feel overwhelming at first, but I'm here to break it down for you. Whether you're a student stepping into the field, a professional looking to refresh your knowledge, or simply curious about the essence of social casework, this guide is designed just for you. Let's uncover the true meaning together. Social casework is often described as the art and science of helping individuals find solutions to their social, emotional, and environmental challenges. Over the years, experts and institutions have contributed to defining this critical practice, giving us diverse perspectives to explore. Let's begin with Mary Richmond, the mother of social casework. Back in 1922, she defined it as those processes which develop personality through adjustments consciously effected, individual by individual, between people and their social environment. Her definition highlights three key ideas: individual development, conscious intervention, and the relationship between a person and their environment. Next, we have Gordon Hamilton. In 1940, he introduced the psychosocial perspective, defining social casework as a psychosocial process which helps individuals cope more effectively with their problems in social functioning. Hamilton emphasized the integration of psychological and social factors, with problem-solving at its core. Moving forward to 1957, Helen Harris Perlman refined the concept, calling it a process used by human welfare agencies to help individuals cope with their problems in social functioning. Her approach stresses the systematic nature of casework and the goal of improved social functioning. Felix Bijstek, in 1961, emphasized relationships. He defined it as a process of helping individuals through a professional relationship to achieve better adjustment between themselves and their environment. For Bijstek, the professional relationship was the heart of casework. In 1974, W. Roberts introduced a systems perspective, defining social casework as a system of knowledge and methods used to enhance social functioning through purposeful individual intervention. Let's talk about Florence Harless, who introduced the psychodynamic approach in 1964. She saw casework as a method for helping individuals solve problems of social adjustment. Coming to the modern definition of social casework. The National Association of Social Workers, or NASW, gives us a modern definition: the professional application of social work theory and methods to treat and prevent psychosocial dysfunction, disability, or impairment. This definition captures the breadth and depth of social casework today. In 1978, William J. Reed introduced the task-centered approach, a practice method focusing on specific problem-solving tasks within a time-limited framework. It's practical, precise, and results-driven. Harriet M. Bartlett, in 1970, expanded the concept to include families, describing it as the creation and implementation of a helping process to influence the social functioning of individuals and families. Finally, Charlotte Toll, in 1965, added an educational perspective, describing casework as a helping process directed at teaching individuals to cope more effectively with themselves and their environment. These 10 definitions showcase the evolution of social casework. From problem-solving to relationships, and from the psychosocial to the task-centered approach, modern casework integrates all these perspectives. Today, social casework focuses on building professional relationships, adopting a person and environment perspective, using evidence-based interventions, and, above all, empowering clients to take charge of their own lives. If you're driven by the passion to make a real difference in people's lives, understanding these foundational definitions of social casework is your first step toward mastering the art and science of social work. For more valuable insights, inspiring stories, and professional guidance, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Social Workin. Looking for academic notes or study materials? Head over to socialworkin.com, where you'll find comprehensive resources on social casework and other essential social work topics. Your journey to making a meaningful impact starts here. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.